Έτοιμα τα παιδάκια. Ναι, για ανοίξτε τα. Έλα. Αντρέα, πήγαινε εκεί. Ναι, μπράβο, ωραία. Ωραία, άστα ανοιχτά την πόρτα. Και αυτό. Αρμάνι. Άντε παιδάκια. Μπράβο Αρμάνι. The most brave. The most brave Αρμάνι. Welcome to your new area Αρμάνι. Run Αρμάνι. Μπράβο Αρμάνι. Άντε παιδάκια. Πρέπει να τα βοηθήσεις λίγο. Να τα πιάσεις λίγο από τη μέση και άμα θα βγουν αυτά έξω. Έλα ρε, πόρτα ανοιχτή είναι. Περίμενε Γιώργη, περίμενε. Έλα ρε. Έλα πατσουλά. Άιντε. Από τη μέση, από τη μέση. Άιντε, go free. Μπράβο. Γιάστονα, λίγο. Για χτύπα λίγο το κλουβί από πίσω, ελαφριά. Ένα κλακ κλακ κάνε, από πίσω, από πίσω. Όχι, όχι, όχι. Γιώργη, περίμενε, από πίσω, από πίσω. Όχι, όχι, περίμενε. Φοβάται ο καημένος. Μπράβο. Άνοιξε την πόρτα. Έλα ρε. Μπράβο αγόρι μου. Έλα αγοράκι μου. A new area. Come on. Amazing. Έλα αγόρι μου. Άντε, go free. Go free. Κοίταξε πώς... Μπράβο, go free. Άιντε, run. Ωραία παιδιά, φέρτε και τα άλλα δύο. Go free. That's it. Good boy. Run free. Μπράβο αγοράκι μου. Now you like it, yeah? Now you like it. Yeah? Bravo. Kalimera, good morning. We have moved. We are moving right now 5 dogs from one smaller area to this big area. It's Armani's group. It's the group of Armani. They are more than 8 years old. It's impossible to be adopted for them because they are very scared of people. So we moved them in this very, very big area to make their life happier. Here they will have a better life than... Hey, Armani! Here we are. It was Lena. Lena was here with Petros. But Lena and Petros was always sitting in the corner. And they wanted to move closer to people. But those dogs we are moving now here, they want to be away from people. So we make their life better by moving them here. Armani! Here they have a big, big space to run. Before they was in a smaller area. There is a lot of green here also. Exploring now. And we moved Lena and Petros in another area, just close to the road, because they wanted to be close to people. Just there, I will show you where is Lena and Petros. So Lena and Petros goes in this big area, only 2 dogs, but this area is for 10 dogs. But we are not putting 10 dogs here, we will put just 5 dogs. Armani, the group of Armani, they will love it here. Before they was in a smaller area, much smaller than this. Not even half of this was their area. And it was close to people and they didn't like to see people at all. Hey, Armani! They are exploring now, but it's so big the area, so they are going everywhere. Armani! So, we are moving. It's another 2 dogs. They are coming now here. 2 more dogs are coming here from their group. And it's impossible for them to be adopted, so here is the right place for them. We are always moving dogs. We are always moving dogs to make their life happier. Bravo, παιδάκια! Now they are a bit scared because we had to put them in the box. They hate the boxes. They hate it. We had to put them in the boxes to move them away from their old area. So this is their new area. Now they're exploring. It's big. They are behind there. You can see them. And we are waiting for another 2 dogs to come from their group. And I will show you where is Petros and Lena. Hold on. Hey, Armani. Armani. They can go inside in the trees, up and down. Much better for them. I'm very happy when I see them happy. I'm very happy when I when I see them happy. So I will show you where is Lena and Petros. And after I have to go because I'm waiting for another 2 dogs. And before we let them out from the boxes, I have to give them pill for ticks, again, pill for worms. Hey, Lena, Petros. Hello, guys. Here they are. Ella, Petro. And this is Alex. This is Alex with Melanie. So happy together. Lena. Lena. So this is the road. The visitors are coming from here. And we are very close to the road all the time. So they like to see people. Lena and Petros. Here is Lena and Petros. Hey! You can see the visitors now, Lena and Petros, yeah? You like it? So this is where they are. Lena and Petros. Lena and Petros. And this is their area. Eh? They like it here because it's close to the road and they want to have a contact with people. But the others, they don't want to have a contact with people, and they are 5 dogs into a smaller area. Now they are 5 dogs in a very big area. Lena and Petros. We move Lena and Petros to another area, and we move Armani to the area where is Lena and Petros. It's complicated. We are always, look like how happy is Lena going up and down, running. She's beautiful, and Petros also. Lena, come. Bravo, Lena. Bravo, Lena. Okay, now I have to go because we have to move with another 2 dogs, and I have to give them pills before they open the boxes, and I cannot hold the mobile. I don't know, they say to us it's gonna be raining, they say to us it's gonna be colder, but it's still nice and warm. Still in the summer clothes. Still in the summer clothes. Okay, I have to go now. Kalimera, good morning. It's a very, very busy day. Every day is busy. Every day in the shelter is adventure. Every day. Kalimera, bye-bye for now.